Hey, what's up guys? So the exciting times are back. Samsung is about to unleash its next big thing, the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. This is indeed the cheapest Samsung 5G phone and it's almost here. We actually have the official box for the A90 phone. Up front you can see the full official design of the phone, the A90 text along with 5G text. The front of the phone is rocking the U-shaped notch. It's very similar to the design of the Galaxy A70. We've got triple camera sensor on the back, but it looks a little bit premium than the A70 if you look at the sides of this phone. And also with the camera we have this small ring, adding a bit of a premium touch compared to what we have on the A70. So majorly it's based on the A70's design, but Samsung made it a bit high-end because it's gonna have the Snapdragon 855 processor. For the first time we are getting a flagship chip on a non-flagship Samsung phone. So no S or Note series phone, it's A90 baby. We got the full list of official specs confirming that it's have the Infinity U display, triple camera setup, super fast charging, 5G network, an octa-core processor which is going to be Snapdragon 855, triple camera setup, 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel zoom plus 8 megapixel wide. For the front camera we have a 32 megapixel sensor. It's going to be really good for the selfies. 128 GB of memory along with 6 GB of RAM. And once again a 1080p HD plus Super AMOLED display is on the phone as well. Now this phone probably very close to its launch, especially in India, so you guys are in for a treat. Now Samable's Twitter account also posted a teaser for the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. So this is the official teaser that Samsung will be using to promote this phone. Because of 5G you have this really high quality effects and you'll be able to add more high quality emoji stuff. Hopefully Samsung will be adding some great additions to its Instagram mode which really needs some improvements, but all in all it's basically highlighting the 5G aspect of the phone. I'm really excited for this phone. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samuel.com is now reporting that the next generation of Galaxy Fold device, the Galaxy Fold 2, could come with a 256 GB of internal storage and it could actually be cheaper than the first original model. It's currently being developed under the model number SMF700F, so we're gonna see a lot more news about this in the future, but I hope that Samsung will bring the first Galaxy Fold to the market before releasing this. I mean, it's getting way too late, so there are already some news going on that in the month of September we could see the return of the Galaxy Fold 1 in the market. Again, we'll see more on that. Also, another news regarding the Galaxy S11, which is for its storage options, is said to have 4 internal storage options. In addition to 128, 256 and 512, we could get a whopping 1 TB of internal storage. And obviously this is a super fast UFS 3.0 storage we're talking about. With next year's Galaxy S11 Plus, Samsung might have a super premium 1 TB edition. Samsung is also adding some incredible new features to camera. It's gonna be the biggest camera upgrade since Galaxy S7. So if Samsung uses its 108 megapixel sensor, something like that, it will definitely take a lot of space. So it makes sense to have a 1 TB option for super power camera users. Along with the S11 family, Samsung is also planning the next generation of A devices. So Galaxy A71, A91, A81. These devices are in development. Particularly the A71 was found via Geekbench 4 benchmark. You can see it is in the 7000 range for multi-core score. That is a good improvement. Interestingly, it's running Android 10 operating system. So Samsung is already testing out the Android 10 operating system for its future mid-range phones. So that is a good news because this means we could get the Android 10 on the flagship Galaxy models, the S and Note series, way too quicker compared to last year. Again, we'll see more information on that. Right now, Android 10 is being tested for the next generation and will surely come to the current generation of A series devices as well. So that's all the news we have on the Samsung Galaxy A90 and a little bit on the S11. Galaxy Fold 2 in the works as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.